this is Sarah from Sara Ran Away with a Spoon, and I'm here today to talk about the best rolling pin. What is the best rolling pin for you for your baking? Like I said, I'm Sarah, and I teach online baking classes for all. I teach online classes to kids and adults so they can become better home bakers, comfort in your own kitchen, and more confidence. And today, why am I talking about rolling pins? Well, it's Thanksgiving, and I'm thinking maybe you might be thinking about making your own pies and making your own pie dough. And if you haven't made a pie dough before, or you're not that comfortable rolling out dough, I thought I'd tell you a little story about my rolling pins. I'm going to show you 3 different ones that I have here. But back in the day, I had a rolling pin from my grandmother, and it looked very much like this rolling pin, except that it had red handles. And it was all scratched up and worn and really well-used, well-loved rolling pin. So I thought, well, maybe it's not the best. I don't know what the best is, but maybe something newer, brighter, shiny might be better. And so I started my search and started looking for different kinds of rolling pins. So the first one I bought was this one, and it's a perfectly fine rolling pin, and it's really not quite much different than my grandmother's rolling pin, but it was new and I thought it would be better. Then I got enticed to buy a different kind of rolling pin that I'll show you in a minute. And I thought, oh, shiny, heavier, better. This is going to be the rolling pin for me. And it's this rolling pin. I have to make a noise when I pick it up because it's so heavy. This is a marble rolling pin, and it is not my favorite. It is marketed so that you can have a nice cold surface, and you can put this in the refrigerator and it's supposed to be great. Yeah, well, it's like 8 pounds. It's heavy to pick up. It's really heavy to maneuver. So I ended up with a 3rd rolling pin, and this is what I'm going to tell you is the best rolling pin to have. This is called a J.K. Adams French dowel rolling pin, and it's about $20. It's a wooden rolling pin, and you can see that my hands fit really nicely around here, and I don't have to put a death grip on it, which I find I do with the ones with the handles, and I can just put it right under my palms and roll. So this rolling pin I really like. It's easy to maneuver. I can really get my hands around it, and I don't need to super press really hard. Well, you'll find when you're rolling, you don't want to be pressing super hard. So a really easy to manage rolling pin is what I would suggest as the best kind of rolling pin. Now, I'm not saying go out and buy a new rolling pin. You need this one. You can't survive without it. But I am saying if you're looking for one, that's a good option. The J.K. Adams French dowel rolling pin is the one I like. And really any kind of French dowel type is good. The ones without the handles that taper out on the end. So once again, if you're looking for a rolling pin, look for one that's comfortable for you. Look for one that's not too heavy. In the end, I found I preferred wood, and one that you're not going to grip really heavy onto those handles. So I wish you good luck and success if you start working on making some pies. If you think you're going to make a pie for Thanksgiving, leave a comment. Write the letter P down in the comment line for P for pie for Thanksgiving. You can put an N for no way, not making my own pie. P for making a pie, N for not making a pie. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to learn more about home baking, check out my website at sarahranaway.com. And once you're there, you can download my free guide. I have a guide that has the 7 essential kitchen tools that every home baker needs. So check that out. It's there on my website, and I look forward to the next video. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.